YouTube, it's Epic Vlog today, and today I'll be unboxing what I ordered off eBay. So let's start with opening the thing. It's hard to get into these. So let's open it up. Basically what this is, it goes around your thing, around your waist and your chest, and you put your phone or your camera on it, and it basically looks like it's first person. I always smell it before I open it up. Okay, so this is what we have here. I don't know how all this goes. So that basically goes around your waist, and this, I think it slots on here like that. So that obviously goes on your phone, like so. You can basically wind it up, and that'll go wider and finger. So let's just put that on there. I don't know where it goes, but like, yeah. Where's the instructions? They should have got instructions, shouldn't they? So let's see where. Ah, there we go. Ah, okay. So I think this goes on there, like that, or does it? Or does it? Let's have a look. I'll try figuring out when I've figured it out.
6.5 hours later.
So I've managed to build it. It took me like 5 minutes to try to think where all the things go. It's all managed to be finger. So it's just now with me putting it on, I'll show you what it looks like in first person mode. So let's have a look. Hi YouTube, so I'm just testing it out. I mean, I've got a first good impression of it. I think it's an amazing kit. I'm just walking to show you in the mirror. Yeah, again, I think it's an amazing product. It cost me £6 for it. I think it's an amazing thing. I'd definitely recommend it, but it's just the waiting. It takes a long time. For it to come in the post, it takes a while for it to get it delivered to you. But yeah, it's an overall a good thing to buy. And yeah,